Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing hairstyle for your toddler from start to finish. And if you're a beginner, then this video is definitely going to help you to put you through on how you can make your toddler's hair from start to finish. So you want to start by prepping our hair after you've conditioned it. Then you do your pattern so that it can be easy for you to start braiding. So yeah, thank you so much all my returning subscriber. You guys are so amazing. So anyways, this is basically what I was doing. This is how I pat it. Once you apply your hair conditioner on the parting, then you highlight it with your comb to make sure that the lines are well patted well. So I'm using Brazilian wool for this. I always use Brazilian wool when I am braiding my toddler hair, and this is basically what I'm going to be doing. And also I am going to be adding some beads to the tips of this braiding hair. But anyways, I just wanted to create something very simple for her, and you know, this hairstyle was definitely amazing because it wasn't heavy at all. It was just, you know, perfect for the summer. So this is how I braided the hair. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this video and let me know what you think about this video while you are still watching. And if you find value of this video, let me know in the comment section.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you.
So this is how the pattern turned out to look like. What do you guys think about my pattern game? Do you think it's on point from 1 to 100? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this pattern. How is it? Okay lovely, so this is basically what you're gonna be doing until you're done on the back section, and then we're gonna be focusing on the front section. This is actually a side kind of braid because like I said, I just wanted something that is very simple, and you know, something that she can be able to be comfortable wearing it. So yes, this is how the pattern, and kind of give this video a thumbs up if you feel my pattern is on point. Okay lovelies, so this part I am also going to be doing the braiding as well. Then for the midpoint, I'm going to be doing just the regular cornrow weaving. So lovely, just keep on watching.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound.
So my loves, what do you think about this hairstyle? Beautiful, right? I did an amazing job, although I am not done. Thank you. I know it's really nice. I know. Okay, and yeah, just like I always say in my other videos when I am making my toddler hair, it is very, very important for you to always condition their hair, do the parts well. And when you condition the hair, it's important that you use the comb to comb through, so that when you're weaving the hair, it's very, very easy for you to comb through, and then there won't be any obstructions when you are weaving the hair. So overall, I feel like this hair was, was very, very easy, like, for me to do, because I didn't really spend much time. The only thing that took me time was when I was inserting the beads to the tips of the hair, but overall the hair came out nice. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys be the judge to that. So when you're done watching this video, let me know what you think about the hairstyle. Is this something you're gonna be trying out for your toddler? Just rate it from 1 to 100 in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up so that other beginners can actually see this, especially when they want to make their toddler's hair. Okay, lovelies, keep on watching.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow?
So at this point, she was already sleeping, so it was very easy for me to braid through very fast. And yes, I couldn't shoot the part where I inserted the beads, but you can check my previous videos so that you can see how to insert the beads if you don't have an idea on how to. And overall, this is how the hair is looking like. Very, very beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. As you can see, the flip game is on point. She's giving us the beauty of the hairstyle. Okay, lovelies, we've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Rate it from 1 to 100 in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video to this extent, and bye, lovelies.